Hello, all my beautiful sweethearts. It's me again. So, yeah, built a PC, thought it was working, and it's now right here. Yep, it's the CPU, guys. It's the CPU. I kind of bent it and stuff like that. And at first I felt so sad for reasons of I put 100 effort in and it did not work. And it was one of my traumas. I'm gonna be honest, it was one of my traumas. But God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. And I figured out if that PC did work, I would have not be where I am right now. I really needed that, and I'm being taught many things that I didn't even know before. So it's not what you want, it's what you need, and God will deliver.